Hello and welcome to Bike Filth. Today we're unboxing something a bit special. The Ouch carbon fibre repair kit. And no, we're not smashing any frames today, but we are going to take a proper look at what's inside this bad boy and how it might help save your precious frame. Let's be honest, carbon fibre is sick, lightweight, looks great, and it just is on all the best bikes. But it also has this weird rep of being super fragile. Unlike steel and aluminium, carbon doesn't bend, it cracks. And sometimes just falling over in the car park can lead to frame swap that costs more than your drivetrain. So when I found out about this kit, I was like, hang on, a DIY kit that you can do at home on carbon? This sounds sketchy, but also very cool. So luckily, Ouch sent me this kit for us to have a look at. So let's do it. Right, so here is the Ouch carbon fibre repair kit. As you open it up, there are some steps to a successful repair in this blue box here. It essentially goes into how you should inspect the areas that you're going to repair, prepare those areas, and how you bond the carbon fibre to the frame. And also at the bottom there is how you finish it off to make it all like it was when it was brand new. At the top here, there's some quite important health and safety disclaimers, just to make sure that you realise that obviously all of the chemicals in here are quite dangerous if they're not used properly. Like anything that does its job well is comes with this lovely little postcard, which essentially tells you that this is one of the first kits, and there's a few of the social handles on there for the Ouch team. It's fantastic. I really love this design. I don't think there's many better designs for logos out there. This is one of my favourites. This and Kebab House Racing, obviously. Then everything comes in here well packaged. In here you've got your two mixing cups. I think in reality, reading the instructions, you probably only need one, but it comes with two. You've got this very, very expensive looking tape, sort of industrial looking sellotape basically. And then there's some embry paper at the bottom of there, which I can't get out with one hand. Oh yes, I can. A nice fine embry paper for your carbon, so that you can prep it ready for repair. You come with these silicone tubes, so obviously once you've made the mix of the two pots in one of these, you can use those to apply it very finely. Again, you've got two, you probably only need one for one repair. There's some masks, or a mask, just to protect you, because some of the chemicals aren't particularly good if you're inhaling them. Those are disposable gloves, two sets of disposable gloves, two sets of everything. Some fancy carbon material. Now carbon is a bit of a strange process to it. You've got different types of weave. This is like a crisscross weave, so I imagine it gives it strength all over. I would think that you trim this to the size that you need. You won't be wrapping that whole thing around there unless you've got a serious problem. But that's the carbon. Then you've got a little pack with all the mixers and paintbrushes in there, so you can prep the surface and then obviously apply what you need to apply. Also in that little pack there's some of these chemical wipes, and then on the back here is really important. there is a QR code. So before you do anything, I would suggest you scan that QR code. It comes up with some really helpful information. It basically takes you to a website and there's a how-to video and also various different PDFs, including the data sheets for the chemicals which we're going to use, which are also in here. So in here, you've got your hardener, which is your part B. It's got an awesome label on it with that amazing logo. And you've got the part A, which is the epoxy resin. That has got a QR code on it as well, so that will take, I would imagine, oh, that's for contact details, but it'll probably take you to data sheets as well if you need them on there. These are all sealed because obviously I haven't got any broken carbon, but you mix the two together in one of the mixing pots and then you've got essentially your resin ready for your carbon. Great little kit with all the bits. The quality of the bits is top. I work in construction industry and all of this stuff is not the cheap stuff that you would get on a cheap site. It's proper stuff that's meant to do what it's meant to do. But essentially, that is your carbon repair kit. So the most important bit is probably that, the carbon. I'm going to try and put this in as neatly as possible because somebody very lucky is going to win this over on Instagram. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more bike related content, and also there's a competition going live on our Instagram shortly to win this very carbon repair kit by Ouch. They've very kindly given this to us, and obviously I don't have any carbon, so I thought it would be a good idea to give it away. I've checked with Ouch and they're happy with it. So head over to @BikeFilth on Instagram and all the competition details are there. It's a free to enter competition, so what have you got to lose? Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.
Get dirty, stay stylish, smash that sub button.